Welcome! Today we are giving a tutorial how to generate Sora 2 videos. First we go to ChatGPT to generate Sora 2 prompts. Copy only a part of it because you mostly get a better result if your prompts are short.
Now we paste the prompt. We can adjust different settings like the model, the quality, the orientation and the duration. We can generate only 3 videos at the same time. It will take 20 minutes to generate the videos. They are ready. We are going to watch.
Alright, this is Times Square at night and it is absolutely electric. Everywhere you look, something's moving, glowing, or making noise. It's a bit like walking through a movie set that forgot to turn itself off. Behind me, there's a cat the size of a bus leaping off a screen, and just over here, a street performer covered head to toe in LEDs. The ground's still wet from the rain, so all the colors.
There is an option to remix or to download the video.
Hey friends, I just left the hotel and I had to bring you with me because look at this light. This is Dubai Marina at golden hour, absolutely glowing. The yachts are catching every bit of sunset. The buildings are like mirrors. It's breezy, it's warm, and it smells like salt and coffee all at once. There's even a little...
What's up everybody? I'm in the middle of Shibuya crossing right now and it's electric. Look at this, it's like a river of umbrellas, neon bouncing off the puddles, the train sliding by up there, and there's music coming from every direction. I don't think pictures ever do this place justice. You just have to feel the crowd moving in waves around you, lights everywhere, even...
Thank you for watching.